Hey, good evening YouTube. This is kind of an impromptu video. Last week I was welding up my plate on my 1-foot bucket and I ran out of gas for my MIG welder. So I stopped down at a welding store, got that. Also got myself a brand new nice welding helmet I'm going to hook up real quick. Tired of using my Harbor Freight Special. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but sometimes I don't think they work so well. But I'm just tightening up the gas now, and then I'm gonna finish welding that plate on the bucket. Now, I'm not a welder by trade. I had to take the MIG certification course for my engineering degree at Penn State, so I'm okay. But I didn't realize the welder was out of gas until I did one or two things. So we're gonna do a little bit of grinding first, grind out those bad welds and start fresh. So get to it. There we go. There we are. Perfect. All right, let's throw you up on. Well, let's look at the brand new welding helmet first. In my messy shed. So supposedly this guy has a 3-year warranty. Wasn't the most expensive, wasn't the cheapest, but it's a Lincoln. Let's see here. 4C lens technology, large 9.3-inch viewing area, low profile grinding button, superior 111 optics, state-of-the-art 4X or 6X headgear, premium auto darkening welding helmet. Oh cool, I'll try out the grinding button. Let's see here if it needs batteries. Probably does need batteries. Well, that's pretty cool. The whole thing comes out. Try and make it easier for folks like me to change the batteries in it. Well, that's the protector, I guess. Maybe I should read the instructions. Comes with a whole bunch of stickers. Oh, these cool stickers. Extra shields. What's this thing? Something? Oh, bandanas. Extended warranty available. Register your product. Viking 2450 series auto darkening helmet. Operation instructions. Here we go. Not in Espanol. In English. Here we go. Gotcha. Grinding button. Gotcha. 24 CR. Oh, 2450 CR batteries. Replace batteries when low light is on. See specifics for batteries. Test button. Okay. Hopefully this came with batteries. That'd be a bummer. Bottom comes out first. Bottom comes out first. Okay. Here we go. Nope, they're in there. Wonder if there's a tab on the batteries. Doesn't look like it. Test. Oh, it's working. So we see, and then we press the test button. Nothing. Well, I guess it's just a reflection to the camera. This way? Well, trust me, it's working. Let's put it all back together now without breaking it. Put that in, goes this way. So I had a real big powerlifting meet this weekend down in King of Prussia. 120 lifters, went really well. So I didn't get a lot of work done for this, but hopefully I'll have a job working for a solar company doing some ditch work for their, I guess they're putting solar panels on a barn or something remote from the house, and they don't want to have to run power out to the house. So I guess I'm going to hopefully get the job to run the ditch out. So they want a 1 foot, and I'm going to follow the cues from my cousin Ed over at Full Tilt and make my bucket have this plate on it so the teeth won't disappear. I got this it was a piece of round steel. I wasn't sure what it was used for, maybe a lid for something, but I just cut it to the width of the teeth, and now I'm going to weld it on the 2 outside teeth, and hopefully that'll do the trick. The only issue with these teeth is they're not flat on the bottom, so I'm going to have to fill that up with some weld. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. But I'll put you on time lapse, get the grinder out, grind out that weld, and then we'll get welding. it's getting late. I gotta get up for work tomorrow morning. So, anyway, just a short one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Take it easy.